Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's tutorial, I will be creating purple smoky eyes for any traditional occasions such as engagement, reception or bridesmaid makeup look at home. Now let's begin the video. I'm going to prep my skin, which is the most important part to get flawless base. For that I am using Biotic Honey Pore Tightening Toner. You can use any toner of your choice. Now to hydrate my skin, I am using Nivea cream. It gives you instant glow, and for dry or combination skin, this would be the best moisturizer. As I mentioned in all my videos, don't forget to massage it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Let the product settle into your skin, and the products which I have used here will be mentioned in my description box. Next I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 03 and I am applying only on upper eyelids because I am going to do my eye makeup first, so if any fallouts happen I can just dust it off. I'm starting my eyeshadow by taking a light shade which is orange and I'm applying it on above my crease line. I'm blending it using a blending brush. We will blend it from outer corner to inner corner of our eyes as shown in the video. Then I am taking Beauty Glazed Color Board and I am taking purple shade from it. We will be taking a blending brush and I will start applying it on my crease line. Make sure you take the orange shade to blend it with the purple one so there would be no patchy lines. Next I am taking black shade from Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette with a flat brush. Here is the interesting part of the whole eye makeup. I am applying the same purple shade on this black shade, but we can see the difference. Applying any shade on black eyeshadow will make it look more intense. Next I am using Faces Canada Primer. You can use this primer if you have less visible pore. This primer makes your skin glow and it gives you smooth effect. Once all the products have absorbed into my skin, I am using Swiss Beauty Color Corrector on dark parts of my face to make it look subtle. Now I am using Swiss Beauty concealer and I am applying it where I want to highlight my face. Next, for the base, I am using L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade 103. Guys, this foundation has low to medium coverage. It stays really long and it doesn't oxidizes on my skin. Next, I am using Inside Banana Powder. Now for the contour, I am using powder contour from Wet n Wild. Next, I am using Faces Canada Glam On Blush in the shade Perfect Cinnamon. Next, I am baking my face using the same banana powder. Now I am using black kajal from Faces Canada on my lower lash line and smudge it as shown in the video. Now I am taking the same purple shade and blending it nicely with the black kajal. For the mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Next, for the highlighter, I am using Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight my high points of I'm using a spoolie brush to even my eyebrow hair. Then I'm using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit to define my eyebrows. For the final step, I am using Nika Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombay 01 and Faces Canada Pitch Me 08. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.